Hi! In this video we'll be going a step further and we'll investigate a bit more the way of asking questions in French. To ask open questions in French, we need to learn the different interrogative pronouns and how to use them. Okay, so the main pronouns are the following. We'll be covering 5 of them today. For each pronoun, we'll take 3 examples corresponding to the 3 ways of asking open questions. The speaking way, which is the most informal. The inversion way, which is the most formal. And the use of the phrase est-ce que. Let's begin.
Qui?
Tu choisis qui? The speaking way. Qui choisis-tu? The inversion way. Qui est-ce que tu choisis? The use of the phrase est-ce que.
Quand?
Il part quand? Quand part-il? Quand est-ce qu'il part?
Quoi?
To translate what in French, we use que at the beginning of the question, and it becomes quoi at the end of the question. Tu fais quoi? Que fais-tu? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Okay, we're using an apostrophe here because of the next word beginning by a vowel.
Pourquoi?
Pourquoi tu pars? Pourquoi pars-tu? Pourquoi est-ce que tu pars?
Où?
When using the speaking or informal method, the pronoun is either placed at the beginning or at the end, but sometimes it could be both, as in this example. Tu vas où? Où tu vas? Où vas-tu? Où est-ce que tu vas? Voilà, that's it for today. I hope you're starting to have some clues on how to ask open questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time. À bientôt.